We, the team of Icon IVF, we are very glad to share our third IVF baby from Icon Hospital. Thank you very much. Hello Andy, we are very happy to share. We team Icon IVF presenting you a second bundle of joy born out of our IVF. Very happy to share this on a special occasion of World IVF Day. Thank you.
ఈరోజు ఈ బేబీ పేరెంట్స్కి 15 years తర్వాత పుట్టాడు. మేల్ బేబీ టెస్ట్ బేబీ ద్వారా నిలబడింది ప్రెగ్నెన్సీ.
Let's celebrate together the happiness of motherhood.